This video is sponsored by Recovered from Wondershare. It recovers deleted or lost photos, videos, documents, and more. Recovers them from hard drives, SD cards, external USB drives, or damaged partitions, and you can recover up to 100 megabytes for free without a subscription. It has some amazing features, lets you recover from your devices, external devices, even a selected location, or you have one of the options from the advanced recovery. Recovering is very simple. You just select the part where you want to recover from, tap the recover button, and you're good to go. It will scan the partition and of course show you all the files that you can recover. Then with just a click you will save them on your computer. You can also take advantage and save huge on their end of the year deals by just simply following the link right down below in the description of the video. Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to fix a ton of different problems with your apps on iOS 14. From apps crashing to not opening, not downloading, or not updating at all on your iOS 14 device. Now of course a lot of issues that will cause these problems on your iOS 14 device, and following these tips and tricks, hopefully they will help you and fix the problems that you might have with your apps on iOS 14. Starting things off with apps crashing. Now of course you open an app, it will crash, will take you back to the home screen. You open it again and the exact same thing will happen. Now what you should do here, even though the app will crash and will close, it will still be in the background on the app switcher. So you go to the app switcher and try to quit the app from the app switcher and try to reopen it and see if that has fixed the problem. Of course, if that doesn't fix the problem, what you should do is always go to the App Store and check if that app has been updated. Most of the time, of course, apps will have different bugs and glitches that will cause those problems. So you need to go ahead and go to the App Store, go to your account right there, and make sure you have always updated the app, because with the release of new iOS versions, apps will need to be updated to be compatible. So always make sure that you have your apps up to date. If your app is still crashing or not opening at all, what you can do is also delete the app and then reinstall it from the App Store. So you just go to the edit mode, you tap right there, you delete the app from here, and then go ahead and reinstall the app on your device and see if that has fixed the problem with the app crashing or basically not opening at all. There might be files that the app has saved and that might cause the problem, so make sure you go ahead and delete the app completely and then reinstall it back on your device and see if that will fix the crashing problems. Of course, there are other things that you can do to your device, like rebooting the device. You go to settings, you go to general right here, scroll all the way down, go to shutdown, it will take you to the power off menu, and from here you can go ahead and power off your device and then reboot it again, and that way you might have that problem fixed. If that doesn't work, and if this problem is consistent with a few apps, so if you have like a ton of apps doing that, crashing all the time or not opening, that means that your device might have a problem. And what you can do is go ahead and go to settings, go to general, go to reset right here, and you can try to reset the settings. This will basically just reset all the settings of your device to the factory default. Now it won't delete anything, it will just reset your settings. Now if that also doesn't work, and again if this problem is consistent with a few apps, not just one, then if the device has a problem, then you can also go ahead and tap on erase all content and settings. This will basically just delete everything from your device and bring it to its factory default. Now of course you always need to make sure that you have all of your files, all of your data backed up to your iCloud or to your computer before you do this, because again, notice that this will delete everything that you have on your device. Now let's talk about apps not downloading. If apps are not downloading from the App Store on your device, the number one thing you can do is go ahead and go to settings and go to screen time. If you have screen time enabled, make sure you go to content and privacy restrictions, go to iTunes and App Store purchases, and from here make sure you go ahead and check if you have installing apps allowed. If you have this allowed, then you're good to go. This is not the problem, but if you have right here this enabled, don't allow, then this will of course not allow apps to download. download, won't allow updates, and you can also, as you can see here, basically disable the ability to delete the app and also disable in-app purchases. So always make sure you first go ahead and check this and see if you have this configured the wrong way and that is stopping you from downloading apps from your device. And another thing, if you're installing the app and it shows up on the home screen but it just like says waiting or is just stuck there, you can go ahead and try to pause and unpause right here and see if that will fix the problem. Now when downloading apps, another problem that might cause apps not to download is not enough storage on your device. So always when you want to install an app, make sure that you check the storage. If you have low storage on your device and you know that that app will require quite a lot of storage, it has like the size of the app and then there are the files of the app, so it needs quite a lot of storage. Make sure go ahead and go to general, go to iPhone storage and check out right here how much free storage you have on your device and see if you can actually go ahead and delete anything to make space, of course, for that app. So this way you can go ahead and check which of the apps are taking more space on your device. That might be the problem for the app not being downloaded. Another thing you can do, if the app is not showing up on the home screen at all, you tap on the download button on the App Store and it's not downloading, is try to restart the App Store. So just go ahead and close the App Store from here, and what you can also do is open the camera app and just close it. This way you will clear the RAM memory of your device and then go ahead and restart the App Store. Now if this doesn't work, you can also try to sign out of the App Store and sign in back again. To do that, what you need to do is go to your account right here and then just scroll all the way down here and you will see a sign out button. Try to sign out and sign in back again on the App Store and see if that will fix the problem. Now, of course, if you're having problems with your app not downloading and even crashing and all that, you will need to make sure that you always have your device up to date. Make sure that your device is always updated to the latest version. Of course, you can always reboot your device or reset the settings if you're having any of these problems, and that actually might help fix any of the problems. So that is it for this video, guys. These are a few tips and tricks that might help you fix problems with your apps crashing, not opening, not downloading, or even not updating on iOS 14. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was helpful. Leave a like if you did. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.